Hello, I'm Red Gruey here with Coachmen Clipper, and I am here to introduce to you a brand new product line from Coachmen Clipper, the ROK. So this Coachmen ROK is a brand new floor plan and a brand new model that we've built. Our general manager, Doug Lance, built it this fall. We highlight it at all general RV stores, and what's really cool, you're probably wondering, what does ROK stand for? What does the Clipper ROK stand for? And it's really cool. The ROK stands for Rear Outside Kitchen, and that's one of the specialties here with this unique model. A one-of-a-kind floor plan. Let's check this out. In the back here, two latches that bring open this beautiful door to prevent any issues with rain and so forth. And inside here you have a full kitchen, a full amenity kitchen that typically will be found in more traditional travel trailers. You've got a large 12-volt fridge. You've got both a griddle and a grill, a microwave with some cooktop area, a 2-burner cooktop right here, and you also get a sink with a hot and cold station. Great storage here above your outside kitchen with the corner pocket storage, all found here in this rear outside kitchen. So when we built the ROK, we really wanted to focus on 5 key outside features here on this model. The first, because we want this unit to be an off-road specialty unit designed to take people where adventure awaits them, we built every single unit with our off-road tires, our flipped axle, and a nice wheel well here to protect extra clearance for maybe when you're going off-road and trees and branches and all those things that really you get when you go off-grid. The next key feature that we brought into this unit was we built these with automotive-grade metal. The exterior on all of our ROKs are an extra durable outside barrier to prevent any, tree limbs or branches that you might actually encounter when you're going off-grid. And so all of these are more durable than your traditional travel trailer. Okay, the next feature goes to the top of the trailer. It's our roof. This is really best in class because we do a fiberglass roof. It's 4 layers, and it's a one-piece seamless skin, which makes it extra durable. No other trailer out there is including the extra additional wood piece underneath the top of the roof. We do that to ensure that our roof is best in class. Okay, the 4th key feature is on top of the roof, every single one comes standard with our Thule roof rack. Okay, so what's awesome about this is, additionally, you can order straight through generalrv.com or online in any way that you want. You can get a roof rack here that comes with standard, with a 2-person tent, as well as a ladder that creates an additional sleeping area on top of this ROK. Okay, and finally, the 5th key feature to this unit. I said it was designed to go off-grid. I said it was used for adventure, and we absolutely want to make that a reality for you. So we put standard on every single one of our ROKs, a 200-watt solar panel and a 30-watt digital solar controller, standard on every single one of these units. All right, now it's time to get inside this unit, but before we do that, check out these 3 key features. We've got a leash link, a pet-friendly leash link right here out in front. This has an optional electric awning on it, as well as a quick connect for another additional outside grill right over here, connects right to your gas on the front of your trailer. Okay, so what's so cool about Coachmen Clipper is we specialize in lightweight single-axle trailers. We've got 26 single-axle trailers, and 19 of them are under 3,000 pounds. This is one of them. This is part of our 3K series, and this only weighs 2,200 pounds dry. So with that, we try to specialize in giving you max storage, max sleeping areas, and check out this interior. I'm sitting here on a bench. We've got a table that just flips down right here, but this also has a gaucho that pulls out and creates an additional sleeping area. We've got 2 tabletop inside here. We've got an air conditioner, a 5 BTU air conditioner, okay? We have additional storage all over here up top. And check this out, we even have a modular cassette toilet in this unit. Right here, all packed in to a small unit in very limited space. And here's the coolest feature in this unit. You end up getting a full RV queen mattress right here, but underneath it, we call it our ROK sub-storage. All right? On struts, you're able to lift the bed straight up, and it stays up for you, and it gives you additional great storage all underneath your primary sleeping area. Shelves, cabinets that pull out, additional storage, everything. And because it's going off grid and we're pet friendly, look at this awesome area that you could put a dog bed right underneath your bed, and you have a perfect sleeping area for a pet friendly unit like this. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's our 12,000 series ROK from Coachmen Clipper. And to find out more about this unit, go to GeneralRV.com. Nationwide premier partner with General. You can find these at lots all over the country.